This is the outfit. Excuse me for this mirror. Oh my god. I was about to go to sneakers because I'm about to be walking a lot. But I'm like, I can handle this. So this is the outfit. This is the look. And we about to explore Rome. If I thought it's so crazy, as to check me dilanti tauta mane what the fuck mane like check ako sa kanabing henen ako sa yamele Muhammad ako kanabing sa kami anto wak mi sa kapik letterlijk para inang ko wak mi sa kapik anto this is punta me di una mita bonita anto mita captivating anto this is kera sa kon selfie ko mi pamande pa so amigo mabisela no anto this is sukasata to keda yame Sukasako suyu. Like, it was so fucking crazy, bitch. Mane ano tata mane harass me, attack me or anything like that. Pero confianza. Hope confianza. Hope fucking confianza. Sakit to check down. Mane check me di be upset. Mane like, just in case. So I love that for me. Ante hambar na tambe. I love it. I can get in, but I'm not in the mood to get into it. I'm trying to be okay, so I went home and I took a shower because I was feeling really disgusting. I cannot. So I took a shower and now I feel a little bit fresh. So I changed my clothes. I'm wearing sneakers now because I'm gonna be walking a lot, and with heel it was also okay, like no complaints honestly, but it's just got sticky because I was sweating, and I realized also why people are so staring at me because I'm gorgeous as fuck and I have an amazing body. I know that sounds like, oh, she thinks highly of herself, but no. Girl. Sinta yun na ang hotspot mo, girl. Eh, basta kung kinantin mo rin bay, no? Jaca. Fucking grande. Like, nung kusina grande, por Dios. Mani, bay. Mani, nunca wak bay así na grande de mi vida, chico. It's ghetto. It's ghetto. It's ghetto. It's fucking ghetto. But we love it because it's wrong. Like, I need food. Oh my god. It's amazing. Oh my god. Just playing. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Oh shit. I'm supposed to be going with the oh my gosh. Basta may gusto mo na siya. Huwag na. Kasi may gusto mo kong pera. I'm gonna get me excited. Oh my god. So beautiful. Oh my god, so beautiful. Kasi hindi ko ba pwede ka honestly, I'm not in my oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. Honest God. Oh my God. Thank you for blessing. Like, look at me. I am looking at this shit. This is like the map of life. Não costumo dizer, mas mantém-me fucking life and I'm grateful. Riba ng ganda. Kasi may method yung kasada din fucking kura. Because it's so beautiful. Oh my god, giant ass. Oh Jesus. So perfect. Porque se me han ni pagoting na hamuri grabando. Hay como 1 millón de tortuguitas. Bueno, algo un poquito dirty. Ah, wait, there is a lot of wind. Oh my god, Jesus. Oh. Okay, but listen. Aqui, mira las tortugas. Ah, you looking at me? I know, you love it. Oh, they are looking at me. This one too. They are looking at me, literally. No, but they're so beautiful. It's a what is a big daddy though? That's why I'm not recording. Look at the big one over there. Big pop. Ay, coño. Amistita papaguerita pa ako ngayon. So good. You see, this is what I'm talking about when it comes to relationship with animals. So yes, this is how you do it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my god, it's so beautiful here. I'm so glad I came here. I have like 3 hours here. It's like so amazing. It's a motherfucking vibe. Yeah. So I'm at this amazing fucking park. And it's been a vibe. Oh, it's been a vibe. It's been a fucking vibe. Então, a menos aqui com eu. Me quero bibiça. Where?